potato, lemon. Hi friends, Jenny here from harmonyandelevation.com. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a sugar potato lemon scrub. Face scrub, that is. But you could use it all over your body too. It's going to have your skin glowing and feeling refreshed. So we're gonna go into the kitchen and get started. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and click on that bell so that you'll know when I drop another video like this. So let's go into the kitchen and get started. You will need a potato, a lemon, some sugar. I'm using brown sugar because that's what I have, but you can use white sugar if that's your preference. And you'll need some kind of jar to store it. You'll also need a blender. This is my handy dandy blender where I blend everything beauty related in. And then you'll need a strainer too to strain the potato juice out of the potato. So I've already peeled my potato and I've already squeezed my lemon. This is my potato. I cut it into small pieces. This is my lemon juice. So what I'm gonna do now is put all my potato pieces in the blender. We're not going to add water. We're just going to try and blend this. If this is not blending, you can add the lemon juice to it just to add a little bit of liquid. So I'm going to add the lemon juice to it just to make it easier for it to blend. Okay, so I have my potato juice. It's now, well, lemon and potatoes. So now I'm going to strain it. We only need about 2 tablespoons of this, if so much, maybe less. Because you don't want your scrub to be liquid. You just want it moist. So this is potato and lemon juice. Some folks do it separately, but I do it together because eventually it all comes together. And this is the potato juice. So we're going to add it. Now you can stop here and just add some honey and make this into some kind of face mask. It's really good as well. But I'm just going to make a scrub, so I'm taking it a step further. Add about 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon at a time, and then try mix it to see, so you'll be able to test the consistency. Don't pour all of it together because you might actually end up getting this too soft. So this is 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna add another one. Mix. Okay, I like how this is looking so far. Not even a full tablespoon, just a drop. Okay. And there you have it. See that? This is the consistency that you want. Now I store this I keep this in my shower. I've not had a problem with it going bad because I don't make a large batch, just enough to last me for about a week. If you get too much of the lemon juice in there and your sugar start to melt, you could simply add more sugar. I'm just gonna put it in this container to store it. And I use this after I finish washing my face. I will use this on my face and rinse it off, and then continue on with my witch hazel lemon toner that I made couple weeks ago, and then I'll moisturize my face as usual. And that's it. I'm actually going to add a little bit more sugar to this because it's starting to melt more than I wanted it to. So I'm going to add more sugar and mix it to fill up my jar. Whoopsie, I made a mess. So potatoes are actually very good for the skin. They help to get rid of ugly spots, marks, and blemishes. They reduce inflammation of the skin and they delay signs of aging. They contain antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental damage caused by sun exposure. And lemon is a natural source of vitamin C, and it's commonly used on the skin to lighten sun and age spots, and it even out your skin tone, and is a natural astringent that tightens pores and brightens complexion. And sugar is a natural exfoliator. It's the natural source of glycolic acid, which also evens out your skin tone. It cleans your pores and improves your overall skin texture by removing dead and dull skin cells. So lemon and potato together have astringent qualities that will help to remove excess oil, and they will open up clogged pores and they will tone the skin. So together they're very good for your skin. So, and then when we add a little bit of sugar, it's just even better because we're scrubbing away the dead cells. So, see how easy that was, guys? That was a super easy DIY recipe. And it's one of my favorites that I use every other day. Not every day because you don't want to be scrubbing your face every day, but every other day is fine. It's up to you. But if your skin starts to get a little bit sensitive because of the lemon, because it is acidic, you can cut it down to every 2 days. It's up to you. But I use it every other day. So that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed already, now is your chance to do so. Click on that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you know when I drop another video like this for glowing skin. Let me stop. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Mwah!